The Samsung Galaxy S23 series will be packing one of the best processor inside. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, we know that the S23 series will be packing the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is going to be coming with one of the best improvement inside the device. We already know that Qualcomm at their event gave us a detail that 40% of the performance improvement has been coming for this year's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and it's going to be confirmed by a leaker on Twitter. According to tipster Ahmed, who has a good track record, give us a detail that the next generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Special Edition coming in the S23 series will be having a 36% better CPU performance, 48% faster GPU performance, and 60% faster NPU performance. So definitely this is going to be a big upgrade for the S23 series in terms of its processor. Now, another thing that is going to be mentioning here, yesterday we have seen that a new leak giving us a detail about the cooling system has been improved in the S23 series. So definitely this means that the better performance under sustainable load will be coming for the S23 series, and it is going to be one of a good news because this year finally Samsung is going to be bringing only one processor in every single region worldwide. So it's going to be a good news for everyone. Now, not only the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor is coming for the S23 series, but also we have a faster LPDDR5X RAM capability inside, and also it's going to be coming with the fastest storage option of UFS 4.0. So overall, the S23 series will be going to have a good package, and it will give you a performance boost even better than the Apple A16 chipset. Yes, I'm saying that it's going to be better than the Apple A16 based on a new leak that has been appeared on Twitter, in which the GFX score has been compared with three processors, which includes the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, Apple A16, and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Well, if you look at these scores, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 surpassed both of these processors, so we can assume that the next year S23 series will be coming with a faster processor, even faster than the Apple iPhone 14 series A16 chipset. Now moving forward, other improvement that you could see in the S23 series will be a new design for the camera bump on the S23 and S23 Plus, whereas the S23 Ultra will be retaining the same design. We also have a 200 megapixel camera sensor for the S23 Ultra, which will give you a better quality of videos and photos both in the day and the night, and it will be very much improved even in the video department, where we have an 8K video with 30 frames per second technology. The selfie camera has been downgraded from 40 megapixel in the S23 Ultra to just 12 megapixel. We also have a satellite connectivity feature, and also the S23 and S23 Plus are getting a slightly bigger batteries at 3900 mAh and 4700 mAh respectively. And yo guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.